Welcome to FactSubYT. In the remote skies of northern Australia, a rare and mesmerizing phenomenon unfolds. The morning glory cloud, a colossal rolling formation, stretches across the horizon, captivating all who witness it. What causes this atmospheric marvel, and why does it appear in this specific region? To understand the morning glory, we must delve into the unique meteorological conditions that give rise to it. The morning glory cloud forms when humid air from the Gulf of Carpentaria meets cooler air from the land, creating a rolling wave of cloud. This phenomenon is most commonly observed during the early morning hours of September and October. While clouds are a daily sight, the morning glory is a rarity, seen in few places around the world. Bucktown, a small town in Queensland, Australia, is one of the few places where the morning glory cloud regularly appears. The region's unique topography and climate contribute to the cloud's formation. For some, witnessing the morning glory isn't enough. They seek to ride it. Glider pilots from around the world flock to Bucktown to surf the morning glory's updrafts. Riding this cloud requires skill and courage, offering an unparalleled experience in the world of aviation. Beyond its visual splendor, the morning glory holds significance for local communities and ecosystems. For Indigenous Australians, the morning glory is woven into Dreamtime stories, symbolizing spiritual journeys. Scientists study the cloud to understand atmospheric dynamics, while conservationists emphasize preserving the delicate balance that allows such phenomena to occur. The morning glory cloud is a testament to nature's capacity for wonder. Its fleeting presence reminds us of the intricate systems at play in our atmosphere. If this journey through the skies inspired you, like, subscribe, and continue exploring the wonders of our world with FactSubYT.